walking through a plumbing system here at Acoya Shea. Here we got our main shut-off line. This shuts off the whole building water-wise. It will eliminate everything. To the building, cold water, to the boiler room. We have separate shut-offs for hot water system inside the boiler room.
Okay, so that's open right now currently.
Correct.
To turn it off, you just turn it vertical. Okay.
And here's our gas line as well. Our shut-off made for that, it's going to be outside, or we have a shut-off in the mechanical room for as well.
So your main gas and your main water right here.
Correct. Run together.
But of course,
This is area A, northwest corner.
We'll walk into the main room and I'll show you where those shut-off valves for.
okay, perfect.
Just in case we have a repair or anything, we have a shut-off valve for these as well. These will go to the storage tank, hot water.
Okay. This is your hot water storage tank emergency shutoffs.
In case we need to do a repair or anything, we eliminate water here.
Storage tanks only?
Correct. And I'll show you a separate one for the whole system as well. Okay. The storage tank.
So is it the big pipe, 8-inch pipe, or?
No, the small one, the 4-inch.
Okay.
So this will be right here. So this line here, that'll be your main source for the patient acceptor, kitchen only. And this will be a vent.
Oh, so this is a vent right here?
Correct. 3 inch. 3 inches a vent.
3 inches a vent, and
This
this
is
is
4 inches the main sewer. Sewer line for the kitchen only. And that goes out to the interceptor that's outside of the parking lot.
We have the 3 stalls interceptor in the parking
Can we
lot.
just kind of reiterate that to the camera?
So here we have our 4-inch main line for grease interceptor only, which are 3-inch vent that goes outside to the parking lot where we have our storage tanks for grease interceptor.
Because now that you mentioned that, do I have to, where are these cleanup located, the first floor? Are they in the hallway?
No, these are gonna be, some of them are in the hallway, they'll be in the kitchen only.
Or in the kitchen, yeah, but I mean for the apartments?
Those will be separate systems. They are in the units or in the rooms. Some of them are in the hallways.
In the corridors, yeah.
Some.
It depends.
Case by case basis.
In the common areas, there will be on the corridors. And then the first 4 units, they'll be in the units itself.
Okay, these people use a lot of wipes, and they think the wipes will disappear, but they don't. So they plug all the sewer lines. Access to...
We have bullhorns outside the building.
okay,
So the pump goes out, and then now they have two-way bullhorns there.
okay.
We have access to those, and they're going to be on exterior location, like where this is at, and then right in the east center of the corridor there.
Is there a certain key mechanism or anything ownership needs to pop those things out, or what's the typical?
Channel lock or high pressure.
So the ones in the corridor, those are basically can go
Upstairs stacks, all over the walkway.
So, yeah, just real quick, excuse me, with the grease trap right here, this is all of the kitchen that goes out.
Correct.
Is there a pit?
Yes.
Yes, there is.
We're gonna walk out there?
You can.
Okay.
Walk that up
I
there.
was saying there's a key mechanism specific to it. They said they just pop them out with
To
whatever.
the grease trap or to?
Yeah, to the grease
trap.
trap.
Oh, I thought you were talking about in the hallway.
Clean out.
No, I mean for the sewer, apartment sewer lines, you know, they throw a lot of wipes,
Right.
and that's where they collect in these pipes, you know.
But this is kitchen only.
Well,
Yeah, this green
I'll
stuff is
over explain.
And on this side, we have our main sewer line for areas A and C.
Yeah.
I think a lot of wipes, I believe, to get that.
Oh, trust me, they do.
So you want to go take a look at the actual interceptor on the exterior?
Okay.
Perfect.
Our shut off for gas. This eliminates it from the whole building. Will be this one here. And then
So
for
that's just an extension of the pipe that comes from the
Correct.
outside, so you can shut everything off
yep,
from here.
it comes in through here. That way, if you can't make it outside, you happen to be in here, you can shut it off here. And it goes. That's shut off for our water system for hard water for soda machine only in the kitchen. That'll be that single copper line on top.
Oh, okay.
We have it shut off there. And these shut off valves here are for the future water softeners.
Okay.
So we got that prep. And then mixing valve, that shuts off the water there. That shuts off the hot water going into the building.
So which one of these need?
That one. That'd be the main one. Correct. That shuts off the whole hot water mixing. It cuts off water to the whole building, hot water.
And so this is all for, that's for the domestic?
Yes.
And is there a separate one for the kitchen?
Yes, sir. That's gonna be that boiler there. That'll be that.
Okay, it's all regulated through the boiler.
Correct. That's regulated through that only. So I can show you the shut off for that one.
So Nate, if I want to increase the temperature.
I just shut off the cold water
Okay,
here.
okay.
So there'll be So this will regulate the hot water in the building to the units itself and throughout the whole building, like the commercial areas. This will shut it off. This is our cold inlet mixing it to the hot water system to regulate temperature. And this here is our inlet that goes to cold water to this boiler that feeds the kitchen itself. It's programmed to 140 for kitchen only. Here will be our shut off here. Here will be our shut off for our gas behind that. And these other valves will shut water down to the units and to the building itself. So we could also eliminate water there. If we got to do a repair down here, we can shut it off water there and there to minimize the
To isolate.
isolate.
Nice, I like that.
Man, you guys did a good job. This is amazing right here.
Thank you. Thank you.
So what exactly, do we need to do anything on this
Nope.
right here? You
Should
guys have
just
it
be
set
adjusted.
at what, right now?
120 right now.
You guys have it set at
Max
120?
120, correct.
So do we know what it's reading up in the rooms?
I haven't done one, probably like
16, 18 maybe?
yeah,
Yeah.
should be 115, but I haven't done one in a few weeks now.
But
so-
it's set for 120?
correct. Max
Okay.
temperature would be 120, and then depending on the usage, it'll be going through flow throughout the fourth floor. So,
To lose some temperature higher up.
yep. We'll lose
So
some
do you think
temperature.
as we start using more, because it's coming out of here at 120, so
it'll put a lot
it shouldn't
more.
matter how much is being used
No.
anywhere because it all regulates at the same.
Right. So it'll just the more usage, the more obviously the hot water will circulate throughout the whole building.
Right.
It is a loop system. So the more we use it, the more faster water will get to the units.
So now, Nathan, these regulate the tanks.
No,
That's
that will be
completely
through
different.
the boiler. Yep.
This is just for.
Just for the units itself, for the building.
So where is the hot water coming from?
the hot water
So-
coming from the storage tanks.
That's what I meant. So
So that comes through here, loops around, comes up through here, drops in here.
and then the mixer will send it. Yeah.
Yep. The mixing will send it out.
Okay.
So this regulates the storage tank. The storage tanks are set for 140, sanitation wise, and
Yeah. So tell me something. Do I need to drain this? How often do I need to
No.
drain?
That's
So
what just came to my head.
this one on this once a year. I mean once a year.
yes, these
right?
ones, yes.
So
These are water heaters, and that is
Yeah.
our boilers. So.
And so the pumps that you have back, the circ pumps that you have, are those the only ones for the building, or is there
Correct.
more
Nope.
throughout the building?
No, it's only
That's
circ
it. Nothing up on the roof. Nothing
No circumference.
on the floors. Anything.
Correct.
And is there any settings on those we should be concerned about, or any adjustments that may have to be made, or anything like that?
That will be explained to you on the video. So the boilers.
Okay. And so there's a whole training on the boilers
Correct.
themselves.
And so we're still working on a schedule for the manufacturer to come out, do the official startup and warranty and all of that.
so water softener is that just for the cold water or hot water?
What's that?
You know, for the future.
Soft water.
Yeah, but and the
Cold
cold
water.
line.
Yep, cold line. That will be the hard water going into the softener, and then the second one here closest to us will be the one coming into the building. Soft water.
It loops around through the softener and goes back in the system.
I know,
Right.
but I mean, usually they do it just for hot water, you know. But this is cold, right?
Yep.
So how come they didn't invest in water substitute?
Is that for the kitchen only?
This
The
one?
soft water?
Nope. Kitchen's to the
It's
building.
gonna be for the building.
All residential units.
All
Yeah.
residential units.
Whole building, yeah.
Okay, so it's for the kitchen as well?
Yep.
Including the kitchen.
So the whole building?
So it's all water that's coming in the property.
Wow.
Cold water.
And that's one of the potential day 2 changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I know we just had discussed this for, wasn't sure for, I just
Yeah.
left it up there that way.
More likely than not,
Eliminates-
it probably will happen.
It just eliminates shutting down the whole building and
Yeah, no, thinking
all that,
ahead.
all that good stuff.
Okay. Is the
So-
main gas shut off also in this room?
Yep. I just showed them, that's the first one I showed.
Okay.
So we were outside. Can you show me?
I'll do that one right there, that brass.
That black pipe.
That black pipe.
Oh, maybe right down there? Oh, you shut that off.
The bob
Yes,
right there.
about
So you have your black pipe right here, which is your gas.
Okay.
And then you have your,
That's our return water, hot water
to return hot water.
And
So
we also
it's
have,
just to shut off the gas.
we have another one here for the cold
There's
water.
Oh,
one
there you go.
outside that which was that.
And you see that one up there?
Yeah, no, there's one outside.
So,
Okay.
I got a question, are any of
Okay.
these gonna be labeled at all?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes, when you're ready for installation, so we can insulate.
Once
the
you
pipe and
insulate, they'll all be
They'll have labels on
labeled
there, correct.
with direction and
Yep, direction
what
of
they
flow
are.
and what it was, the purposes.
I'm sorry?
I was just wondering if you could jump that high if we had to turn it off in an emergency. But there's one outside.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, put your
Basically
jetpack
the
on.
same thing, it shuts everything, so. So what about the storage tanks? Is there anything that we should be concerned about on the storage tanks? Any maintenance that has to be done on these in any aspect?
I believe that should be all explained in that video I'm gonna send you guys.
Okay.
He was out here a couple weeks ago and I missed him myself, so
So you don't know
not
at
on the
this point?
storage tanks, so I couldn't explain that to you guys exactly. To the point, as he was.
Yeah, okay.
Cool. Okay. So that covers main water shut off, main gas shut off. Now I want to give this overview on the grease interceptor.
Yeah.
That's go upstairs.
Upstairs,
now.
We can do it from downstairs.
This thing looks cooler out of the sun.
Hey, so what are your recirculating pumps? Are they eventually?
There are those units there. But
Oh, okay, I didn't see those. Okay.
that's what we it wasn't on the plans, the circulating pumps. I talked to Mike about it.
Yeah.
I believe that's what those got substituted for those 3 storage tanks.
Okay. Yeah, that's the drawings called for and
Yeah.
engineered it. There's no separate.
That's why you're thinking of those big 3 storage tanks.
No, those tanks are pretty impressive, like, you know, yeah, we don't have that at any of our other.
Any other questions?
For the grease interceptor down here.
Okay.
System.
Yeah, I mean, just want to talk about general maintenance. Any maintenance tips or tricks?